As we all know, credit is the most important thing you must have when applying for anything. No matter how much cash you may have, unless you're looking to pay for things in full, your credit can help you get approved. In today's video, we're going to discuss exactly what an authorized user is and how you can build your credit with becoming one. If you're anything like I was a few years ago, I had no idea exactly what an authorized user was or how I can take advantage of it. It wasn't until I got my first secured credit card with Discover and they turned it into an unsecured credit card 6 months after using the card responsibly. It was during that time of me using their mobile app that I discovered they offered authorized users on my account. After doing my research, I was excited to know I can add my family members to my account to help build their credit as well, and that's exactly what I'm going to teach you how to do today as well. So let's go over exactly what an authorized user is. An authorized user is a person added to a credit card by the primary card holder. While an authorized user can make purchases with their credit card, the liability for making payments lies on the primary card holder. When it comes to an authorized user, anyone can be an authorized user as long as they meet the credit card issuer's age requirement, you're a spouse, partner, family member, or close friend of the primary card holder. As an authorized user, your main focus as an holder of the card should be to build good habits with the use of the card in order to get your own credit cards in the future. In order to build good credit history on your credit reports, you want to make sure you're using the card responsibly by avoiding buying more than you can afford, paying your end of the credit limit used to the primary account holder, and keeping your credit limit use 10% of the credit card limit. So let's get into how being an authorized user can affect your credit ratings. As an authorized user, the credit card account is reflected on your credit reports. So this can either help you or hurt you depending on how you guys are using the credit card. For example, say you add your spouse to your credit cards as an authorized user. If you give them the credit card to use, this means that those transactions will also be shown on their credit reports as well. As the authorized user, all of the transaction history that has been reported onto the primary card holder's credit reports will also report onto your credit reports, even the history before you were added. If your spouse has good credit card history with the account you have been added to, that means you will also have that good credit card history reporting onto your credit reports. The same will go for the negative or late activity that has been reported onto that account in the past. It will also report on the authorized user account as well. In better terms, it's only good to become an authorized user to accounts that have good payment history, longer lengths in credit history, and also have very low utilization. For someone with no credit, this can give you a big increase in your credit score and help strengthen your credit profile. For someone who's got a short profile with no credit cards, you will see an increase as well, considering that credit cards play 30% of your overall credit score. Also, for someone rebuilding their credit profiles, becoming an authorized user can help to offset the negative past reports you've shown a history of on your credit reports. The good thing about becoming an authorized user is for each credit card account the primary account holder has, you can be added to each account to help your credit and give you more credit limit available to show on your credit reports. When it comes to building a legacy for you and your family, becoming authorized users to immediate family member accounts can build thousands in credit limit availability when used responsibly. This is good to show on your credit reports because lenders like to see you have access to funds without having high debt to income ratio. For someone who already has a higher utilization with their credit cards, becoming an authorized user on accounts that have very low utilization can bring the overall utilization percentage lower on your accounts, making you see an increase within your credit score. That's going to bring us to the end of this video. If you haven't hit the bell yet to turn your notifications on, be sure to do so in order to receive the latest videos. Videos are uploaded weekly to help you receive the financial freedom you deserve. This is Tiara Talks Finance, and I'll see you guys on the next video.